Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of portable cooling with the best 12 VEVER Car refrigerators of 2024. Whether you're embarking on a camping trip, hitting the open road, or exploring the great outdoors, having a reliable portable freezer is essential. Join us as we review the top 5 options that excel in performance, durability, and convenience for all your outdoor adventures. Let's get started. Number 5. The UAMI 12-volt refrigerator is a versatile and efficient cooling solution perfect for camping, travel, trucking, boating, and home use. With a compact design and large 19 QD capacity, it offers ample space for storing a variety of foods without the need for additional ice cubes. Equipped with advanced 3D refrigeration technology, this refrigerator or freezer combo can rapidly cool from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 32 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes, ensuring your food stays fresh and properly preserved. It's UL Energy Efficient certified, consuming only 45 Watt on average, helping to reduce energy costs. Featuring a magnetic sealing design, the refrigerator ensures excellent insulation and efficiency, while the magnetic opening cover enhances convenience and durability. Plus, with a low noise level of just 40 decibels, it provides a quiet environment for your journey. This fridge offers dual-use functionality, compatible with both 110 or 240-volt AC and 12 or 24-volt DC power sources, making it suitable for use at home or in the car. Included complimentary accessories like adapters enhance its versatility, and UAMI provides a 1-year product quality guarantee for added peace of mind. Overall, the UAMI 12-volt refrigerator is a reliable and convenient cooling solution for various scenarios. Number 4. The Booge RV 12-volt refrigerator CR22 is a reliable and efficient cooling solution designed for on-the-go adventures. With a spacious 23-quart capacity and compact internal freezer configuration, it provides ample space for storing food and beverages while on the road. Utilizing compressor refrigeration technology, this car fridge achieves fast cooling from 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 32 degrees Fahrenheit in just 20 minutes and reaching temperatures as low as -5 degrees Fahrenheit in 50 minutes, ensuring your food stays fresh without the need for ice. Plus, with its low power consumption of less than 36 W in eco mode, it's energy efficient and cost-effective to run, operating with a low noise level of just 45 decibels. This portable freezer fridge ensures a peaceful environment during your travels, while its shock-proof design makes it suitable for use even on rough terrain. Equipped with a 3-level battery monitor, this RV fridge or freezer protects your vehicle's battery from draining excessively, allowing you to set the voltage at which the fridge shuts off to prevent complete battery drain. Backed by a 2-year warranty, the Booge RV 12-volt refrigerator CR22 offers peace of mind and reliable performance for all your travel and camping needs. Number 3. The UAMI 12-volt car refrigerator offers a powerful and efficient cooling solution for all your travel needs. With a spacious 48-quart capacity and dual storage areas, it provides ample space for storing a variety of foods and beverages while keeping them fresh and odor-free. Utilizing advanced 3D refrigeration technology and a powerful compressor, this car fridge ensures fast cooling and maintains temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 68 degrees Fahrenheit with minimal energy consumption. It's UL Energy Saving certified, with an average energy consumption of only 45 W, saving you money on energy costs. Equipped with both 110 or 240-volt AC and 12 or 24-volt DC adapters, this portable refrigerator can be used at home or in the car. It features 3 levels of battery protection to prevent overloading or short-circuiting, ensuring a safe and reliable power supply during your journey. With a low noise level of just 40 decibels and a shock-proof design, this car refrigerator provides a quiet and stable cooling environment, even on rough terrain. The LCD panel allows for easy temperature adjustment, while Bluetooth connectivity enables remote control via a mobile app for added convenience. Backed by a 1-year quality assurance, the UAMI 12-volt car refrigerator offers smart features, efficient cooling, and reliable performance for all your camping, travel, and trucking adventures. Number 2. The VEVER 12-volt refrigerator offers impressive storage capacity and efficient cooling capabilities. making it an ideal companion for various outdoor adventures and home use. With a generous 58-quart capacity, it can accommodate up to 60 cans of cola, 36 bottles of drinks, or 18 bottles of red wine, ensuring you have plenty of space for beverages, fruits, vegetables, seafood, meats, and more. Utilizing compressor refrigeration technology, this car freezer achieves fast cooling from -20 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius, keeping your food fresh and beverages chilled. Perfect for travel, picnics, barbecues, camping, and parties. It provides reliable cooling wherever you go. The refrigerator features thoughtful details such as a digital display for temperature adjustment, built-in LED light for better visibility, removable internal basket for easy organization, built-in handle for convenient transport, and cup holders for stability. Additionally, the mobile app allows for convenient control of the refrigerator. Equipped with both 110 or 240 volt AC and 12 or 24 volt DC adapters, this versatile refrigerator can be used at home or in the car. It also provides 3 levels of battery protection to prevent overloading or short-circuiting, ensuring a safe and reliable power supply during your journey. Overall, the VEVER 12-volt refrigerator offers extensive usage possibilities, making it perfect for RVs, campsites, boats, fishing trips, road trips, and other outdoor activities. With its sturdy construction and efficient cooling performance, it's a must-have for anyone seeking portable refrigeration solutions. Number 1. The VEVER Car Refrigerator offers rapid cooling and efficient performance, making it an excellent choice for outdoor adventures, travel, camping, and RV use. With its upgraded compressor, it can cool from 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 32 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes and reach as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit in 1 hour, ensuring your beverages and food stay refreshingly chilled even in extreme conditions. Despite its powerful cooling capabilities, this portable fridge is remarkably quiet, emitting less than 45 decibels of noise when running. Its energy-efficient design consumes only 0.6 kilowatt-hour of energy per 24 hours, saving power and allowing you to enjoy a peaceful night's sleep without disturbance. Featuring dual-zone temperature control, you can customize the temperature between -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 50 degrees Fahrenheit to suit your specific needs. With a generous total capacity of 58 cutie, it provides ample space to refrigerate and store beverages, fruits, meats, seafood, and more. Versatile and convenient, this car refrigerator comes with a 138-inch car cigarette lighter line and a household conversion plug, allowing you to use it in various settings, including your home, yacht, RV, car, truck, or van. Built to withstand rugged conditions, the refrigerator is constructed with a robust PP shell, providing exceptional resistance against collisions and falls. Whether you're navigating rough terrains or facing extreme temperatures, it ensures the box body remains intact within a wide temperature range of -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. Overall, the VEVER Car Refrigerator offers durability, versatility, and reliable cooling performance for all your adventures.